Solo Leveling, the manhwa which took the world by storm, and now with an anime, it's reaching a wider audience. When I read the manga, I thought, is there a way to apply this in real life? And the answer I found was yes, you can apply it. In this video, we'll talk about the solo leveling system, how it works, and how you can apply it in real life. Without further delay, let's get started. Solo leveling system. If you are familiar with how the solo system works, then you can go to this timestamp. If not, I'll briefly explain how this system works in manhwa. Solo leveling incorporates a typical RPG game setting in which we have the character, a system to track progress, and a system to update and reward the character when a request is done. The system looks like this. You have abilities, health, coins, rewards, quests, achievements, a shop, and an inventory. In manhwa, he gets the following abilities: strength, vitality, agility, intelligence, and sense. He gets daily quests which have some tasks that he needs to do, and a penalty if he fails to do it. He gets random tasks throughout the day as he goes on with his life. There are certain achievements that he gets that add to the title. There is a shop and inventory system that he can use. He can get coins, and from coins he can buy items from the shop. This constitutes the whole solo leveling system that is present in the manhwa and anime. We'll try to replicate it in real life. Solo leveling in real life. For this, we need a system to track everything. After trying almost all gamification apps, I came across an app that does this perfectly. Before I say the app name, I have to mention this. In no way this is a sponsored video. I don't have any connection with the app. I genuinely love the app and it does what I want. There is a free version and one-time payment version of the app. It's a bit overwhelming to set things up, but once done, you can use it with ease. With that sorted, the app I'm talking about is called Life Up. I'll link it down in the description. Let's break things down and look at them one by one. The leveling system. The app offers a default leveling system and requirements for each level. However, you can customize each level requirements however you want it to be. I recommend leaving the leveling system default. It is optimized and doesn't feel like you are leveling up too fast as long as you set proper quest rewards. Attribute system. In the manhwa, as I explained, he gets the following stats: stamina, intelligence, vitality, agility, and sense. In the app, by default, you are given the following attributes: stamina, intelligence, charisma, endurance, vitality, and creativity. You can edit these if you want to mimic the solo leveling manhwa, but I would recommend leaving it at default. Categories. To better organize your quests, you can put them into separate categories. If you go to the shop, you can do the same. I would recommend dividing your quests into 3 categories. Health, things you do for your physical and mental wellness. Wealth, things that you do that can bring in money. Relationship, things that you do to be socially active. In the shop, it is up to you how you want to organize the shop and inventory. Before you look at quests, be sure to add some items to your shop that you can assign as rewards for the quests that you have completed. For each product, you can add custom effects to it, like each product can have a fixed price. After purchase of each product, you can increase the price automatically. You can add a countdown timer to expire the product. Also, be careful when you assign these coins for each product. It should not be easy to obtain the item. The quests. Now you can add the quests to the app. You can click on this plus icon which opens a form. You have basic details, the reward section, and penalty section. For penalties, you have 2 things. If failed, you can decrease the level or coins. I'll set up a daily quest that is present in the solo leveling manhwa, which is the workout. We'll call it the workout routine. For the subtasks, we'll add 30 sit-ups, 30 push-ups, 30 squats, 3 km running. The level of importance will be 4. The level of difficulty will be 3. Attributes will be stamina and endurance. Since this is a daily quest, I'll keep the coins at 50. Experience points, I'll keep it at 200. You can add an item reward from the shop if you want to. Add a reminder time as to when you will do this task. It will send you a notification. The repeat frequency will be daily. The first end date will be the date you want to start. Once you are done, your quest will appear on your homepage. You'll get a notification near the time you said you would do the workout. Once the workout is done, click the quest is completed. You'll receive the reward. From coins, you can buy yourself anything from the shop, like 5 minutes of social media. That way, you will not feel guilty about spending time on it. You worked hard, you deserve a break. Just don't make it easy for items to be obtained, and you're good to go. If you want some examples of quests, shop items, coins optimization, and experience systems, you can check out this free ebook which I have written, which will go over things in detail with examples to get you started. You can download it for free, the link is present in the description. Things to consider before starting this. Don't add too many daily quests. Limit the number of daily quests to no more than 2. If your quest is repeated daily, you will get bored of it. So add quests that are absolutely necessary. Always add tasks at the end of the day. Before sleeping, add the quest for tomorrow. If you have things lined up for the next week, include them. Push yourselves on certain days and reward accordingly. There's a quest in the manhwa where he ventures into a dungeon and after defeating the final boss, he gets to know that he is under-leveled. Have a similar setup. If you have planned to do 30 push-ups and you manage to do 40 push-ups, reward yourselves and come back again after a few days to try to do more. So yeah, That's the whole solo leveling system that you can build. I'll leave the rest for you to explore in the app. It has many great features like Pomodoro, achievements, lab, and more customization options. The key here is to stay disciplined and follow the system. It will be hard at first, but you will enjoy it. If you want to make studying more enjoyable, watch this video. And if you want to increase your focus, watch this video. As always, subscribe to get transported into another world. Bye.